My name is Atul Shrivastava. I'm working as an engagement manager at Zinnov, along with Peter on Digital Transformation 2.0. I have 10 years of experience in consulting, and I'm excited to have you all in this session. Moving on, before I start talking about our latest thought leadership findings on Digital Transformation 2.0, I would like to take 2 minutes to talk about Zinnov and our offerings to the high-tech platform and technology companies. Zinnov is a 20-year young global management consulting firm committed to empowering the world's leading companies with their business strategy across business functions and industries like software, semiconductor, retail, and BFSI, among others. We work very closely with the top 10 players across the regions and industries. In terms of offerings, the section talks about some of the key areas we help our customers with, starting with GTM support to strategic planning, product management, market opportunity assessment, use case intelligence, voice of customers or partners, and account intelligence, among so many other micro and macro areas. Now let's start the theme of the day, Digital Transformation 2.0. Digital transformation as a whole refers to the process of using digital technologies to change how fundamentally organizations operate and deliver value to customers. It involves the integration of digital technologies into all areas of a business, including operations, customer interactions, and products or services. The convergence of modern technologies is set to transform business functions and deliver integrated, sustainable experiences for customers, employees, and partners, which will create a new phase of digital adoption called Digital Transformation 2.0. We also believe that DT 2.0 will create newer experience platforms for users, which will be scalable, autonomous, secure, and fast with the help of democratization of multiple technology areas such as AI, AR, VR, and hyper-intelligent automation, among others. We have also seen a growth trajectory of CXO sentiments and mentions of the next phase of digital adoption with the introduction of key technologies over a period of time, which helped the overall market to build and see the next phase of transformation. Early advances in AI, ML, and cloud exponentially increased the application of responsible AI, which ensured fair outputs, new levels of personalization, and data privacy. Connected devices and rapid improvement in connectivity speed with the help of advanced technologies such as 5G and private networks gave a new digital backbone to multiple industries. Services such as low-code, no-code platforms and infrastructure as a code have enabled more workforce to create applications. Similarly, organizations are now exploring metaverse use cases and the associated revenue possibilities in a seamless combination of the physical and digital worlds. Most recently, generative AI has shown the potential to be a major game changer for businesses by increasing efficiency and productivity, reducing cost, and opening up new growth opportunities. All these technologies and their related sentiments are well positioned to drive DT 2.0 adoption across global enterprises. Moving on, we also spoke to global 2,000 enterprises to understand their readiness to adopt the converging technologies and use cases, and found that close to 20% of these 2,000 companies have already started playing around with these technologies, convergence use cases, and created a market worth $40 billion US in 2022, which is expected to grow to $1.6 trillion US by 2030. For the next 2 years, if we talk about the short term, we will see an adoption flurry of enterprise blockchain applications, followed by accelerated cloud adoption and more products and services across generative AI. In the midterm scenarios, with more than 200 companies operating in the metaverse, the global reach will be more likely make some virtual worlds regulated in the future in terms of privacy and transferability of assets. We also anticipate that in the long term, quantum computing would also enable a range of disruptive use cases across industries. All these advances in technological commercialization will support enterprises to thrive in the next phase of digital transformation. Moving on, from our analysis and primary discussions, we found that more than 80% of global enterprises have a strong cloud adoption. Multiple industries are identifying high impact use cases by integrating AI and and HIA, while the integration of metaverse, blockchain, and quantum computing is still at nascent stage. Moreover, while several industries are exploring these new technologies in the long term after implementing automation of core businesses, BFSI is one industry which promises to lead this next level digital transformation by exploring use cases across every technology area, followed by automotive industry. For example, recently JP Morgan's Onyx launched Decentraland, a 3D metaverse platform, is the world's first blockchain platform for the exchange of value, information, and digital assets, prove the validity of DT 2.0 in the next phase. Moving on, with this convergence becoming more available, industries will find innovative use cases across different business functions, out of which supply chain and sales and marketing will be the key focus area for industry planning to leverage DT 2.0 going forward. While this will enhance existing use cases such as payment operations, predictive maintenance to product development, it will also enable novel areas such as simulation-based supplier analytics to digital human to trusted data processing. For example, in-vehicle payments are now being adopted by automotive manufacturers such as Toyota and Skoda, which could drive seamless payments going forward. Similarly, exponential improvement in contact center productivity and automation of tasks such as lead generation and sales processes will take center stage through conversational assistants and digital humans, which will focus on hyper-personalization. For example, Core.ai launched its Agent Assist for Service Cloud Voice on the Salesforce App Exchange, empowering customers to leverage AI-powered virtual assistants. Moving on, while I have talked much about the technology convergence, it is said to have a multiplying effect across every sector, creating a larger impact on global enterprises. The next decade promises to be a time where these technologies will deliver impact at a scale, witnessing 55% year-on-year growth post-2024. While AI and intelligent automation will be the driving force for digital transformation 2.0, cloud technologies coupled with advanced connectivity will unlock higher benefits of next-gen computing for consumers and industry verticals. Technologies such as metaverse, AI, HIA, and blockchain will develop new trends in technology ahead. With this, I would like to wrap up my presentation and invite you to drop your questions, suggestions, and interest to get full access to DT 2.0 thought leadership piece based on conversation with Global 2000 enterprises. Thank you, everyone. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Peter Kirkwood, Principal Platform Business, Zinnov, to take us through the most exciting part of the session, the panel discussion. Over to you, Peter.